you. Okay, right there. Gotta figure this shit out here. Get some more room on the bench here. There we go. Turn this down a little. Alright, hello YouTube. I got a box of stuff here. And we have Barcalo, USA. We have made in Canada, gray, forged steel. We have drop forged steel select, made in USA. Got a little forged USA Barcalo Buffalo. Anybody collect wrenches? This one's got a hole drilled in. No, this is a Barcalo. That's a Barcalo. This is made in West Germany. Drop forged steel. West German manufacturer. This thing looks like a screwed up homemade piece of crap. We got 2 hex. Made in Canada. 163 something, whatever. There's another one. I don't know if you can see that real good. This is says 2 hex. This one is EF something 11/16. That's another one. This looks like a cheap ass stamping. This one is, I don't know, drop forged, made in India. It's got to be high quality. Yeah. This is a handmade wrench. Ooh, fancy. Or it's a crack pipe, whatever one you want to do it. This, who the hell knows? It's got to be a tool for something. It's very specific. No markings on this one either. Looks like somebody burned it a little. So yeah, homemade job maybe. I bet you know what this is. High tech, made in whatever, Elky. Yeah. Another no-name stamped piece of junk. Little tiny S-cone spanner. S-cone spanner. Look at that. Fancy, high-tech, high-quality, little tiny spanner. Another no-name jalopy, whatever the hell it is. Looks like a leftover. No, what this looks like? It looks like when they cut out a piece of metal, you get those little pieces left over. That's what it looks like. Rona. This is another cheap freaking junk. This is 9/16. What's it say on here? There's a name on here somewhere. Let's see if we can get the name off here. Fairmount, made in USA. It's probably good, made in USA. Why is this long? This one is Electrolyte, made in USA. Chrome vanadium, or vanadium, or thing. There's that, or wrenchy. Ta-da! There we go. See, the wrench. This one is 7/8 drop forged steel, 15, 25, 30, made in West Germany. Got some high quality German wrenches. This one is, looks like cheap Indian crap. This one is made in USA by Electrolyte. Little tiny little sucker. Forged in USA. Craftsman. Chrome's falling off, but hey. Vintage Craftsman. I don't know, made in USA. I don't have many of those. This one is drop forged, 7/16. Made in West Germany. Got some German steel here. Look at that. Made in USA. Or Germany, sorry. This one looks like a made in Canada by Gray Tools. This looks like an oldie. Looks like it's been abused too. There's like ground down here, ground here, probably. This looks like one of those wrenches where you turn some. This reminds me of a fire hydrant wrench where it connects on a hose and pulls it. This one is a drop forged steel made in West Germany. It's probably a whole set in here of wrecked the German tools. Oh, this one I like. Yeah, it's a Billings wrench. Check out the like why would you even keep this? I mean, it's look at the end of it. Like, anybody notice anything wrong with it? It's cracked junk. This is for art. This is another who the hell knows kind of wrench. I don't know. Probably something else. Another made in Canada forged steel, rusty, crusty one. This one's actually pretty thick. It's a no-name jobber, whatever. Looks like something out of a horror film. Forged select steel, made in USA. There's an L stamped in it. I don't know why. I guess that's got some. It's got to be old because they don't make little carrot. It's the fonts that I find they're different. See? If you look right here, see the little L? There's a font, and that's that's unique to something there. Yeah, I kind of know what the hell I'm talking about. Forged. See, there's not L's and shit stamped in this stuff. Forged, Canadian Forge, Welland, Ontario. Forged steel treated. There's another one. 100 minutes of wrenches. Told you I'm going through this whole box. If you don't like the video, just fast forward it. If you want to look at wrenches, want to buy some, let me know. I'll sell you little box. This is a 10. Circle with an M, whatever the hell that means. There's probably more writing on it. We'll look later. This is a, I don't know what the fuck this is. Made in Hong Kong. Oh, Hong Kong. Look at that. I'd rather have Hong Kong Fooey than this. Another cheapo, crapo wrench. This one is Blue Point. USA. Blue Point Bolex. Blue Point. It's an old one. That's a snap-on job. CCM. Oh, shit. We have a bicycle wrench here. Yeah. CCM is bicycles. It's got to be for a bicycle. So freaking useless. This, it's either a spark plug wrench or a freaking bicycle wrench. I don't know. This another one. Made in USA. Crescent. Whoa, look at that. Vintage Crescent wrench. I'll keep all the American made ones just for fun of it. Drop forged. Select steel. Made in USA. These ones I like. These are cool. Like these old cool ones there. Like you can just one-handed wrenches. They're kind of neat. Why the hell there's a hole in the middle of it? Who knows? This one's kind of cool. It's oh, what the hell? Somebody drilled holes in it. It says B 557 1/2 inch. There's an A stamped in it, 2 A's, and like that. Oh, it's like somebody went to town on whatever. Most of them are not rusty. They're just covered in dirt. This one's a TEF tools, but look at somebody did a job on this end. Yep, I need a thinner wrench, so I'll just grind it off. Yummy. This is a Bedor. Gidore. Gidor? I don't know. Drop forged. India. Take artwork out of that one. This one is 5/16 and a 1/4 inch. Made in who the hell knows where, because they probably couldn't afford to put numbers on it. Ascone span. I know what these are for IKEA furniture. Yeah. Just kidding. Oh, look, we have a, I guess, a U-joint of some sort. Because there's nothing in there, and nothing in there, and a little hole in there, so we got pair of U-joints. Shower curtain rings. Gotta love those. Or if you got some big kahunas there, yeah. What else we got here? This is got an L stamped in it. This is her brand, Made in USA, 1/2 inch, her brand. See, there's a little tiny L. Somebody obviously had a stamp. I don't know if you can see it right here. A little tiny L. And that L, I know I have some letterpress characters, and you can tell it's a distinct L because people don't use old typecase like that. This looks like a very broken CCM wrench. What else we got here? This is probably another bicycle wrench. F&S. Funny and shitty. All right. Made in West Germany. Drop forge 5/8. Another made in Germany wrench. Made in Germany wrench. See? West Germany. Yeah. Another scrappy Indian wrench, which probably you could throw in garbage. Scrappy India. Oh, look. Scrappy India. Yep. Used that on a old bike. This is the only real crusty one. It's like probably been around. Frick, anything's been around longer than me. Half the tools I own have been around longer than me. Drop Forge Vanadium Steel. Anybody know what the hell vanadium means? Black Hawk Armstrong. That's really cool. It's like something let me grab this. That's actually pretty cool letters. Black Hawk Armstrong. It'd be fun to like take all the letters and just cut them out and put them on a plaque. Be Barcolo, made in USA. See, these are cool. See, they got like style to them. There's some kind of like, they have like, people back then thought about looks. They put a little groove in here, made it look nice. People used them, destroyed the shit out of them. Hey, it is what it is, right? This is a no-name, probably futuristic IKEA wrench. Who knows? This is another one of those rusty, crusty, no-name piece of junk wrenches that everybody loves. This one is a Walter. I think it's Walter. Super Select Steel. The steel is so super select that it selected rust there and it selected rust there. See, I don't know, it says a number 432. There's a little stamp in it. Probably drop this in the vapor rust. What else in the box? Oh, we have a steel alloy. See, because steel alloy, when you break it, it becomes even better. It goes from steel alloy to shitty alloy. Yeah. Oh, we got one more of these. F&S, full of shit wrenches. I don't know what it's for. Somebody probably knows. And we got some shower curtain rings. That's probably what it's for. A key ring, whatever. There's no more in the box. So, thank you for watching this video, which is now 12 minutes long. I'm not editing it out. And thank you very much. And like, subscribe, and hope you like what's in the box. Yay!